Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you a brief proposal of our uh, term project. Our project name is TripAdvisor Common Sense Search Engine. Our group member is pingjie, bolun, zhang, and me. So let's get started. Firstly, what is our project? Actually, our project is to provide an additional search service for users in searching for hotels based on all the comments. Because we know, basically, in normal, uh, most of the website, the trip website or the trip search interface can just provide a service for the user just to do the basic search. For example, they can just input their location, their destination they want to go to visit, and a specific date, and even some more additional search features, just like I want the price that lower than $200. But all of those are basic search features. It can just it gives the pretty good search result for the user. But what if the user want to have the real experience of other users? So from this idea, we just improvise our search proposal, like when we search from the comments, because the comments are all made from other real users. When we search from the keywords in the comments, we can just also get a ranked list from the search result we want, and this gives us the this gives the user, not only us, a better search result. So the so we the data we use is the hotel information in general, right? And we retrieve all the comments from the hotels that we want to retrieve. So, and also the users might be interested in knowing which hotels satisfy the criteria they want, not only the website one, right? So the input should be just the keywords such as clean hotel or comfortable hotel in New York, or I want 5 star. So the output will be a list of ranked hotels based on their queries. So why this topic? Actually, I just mentioned as right, the current search service, we can only choose the location and get the result uh, of the ranking list. And also in each hotel page, the user can only search among comments only. But the TripAdvisor adopt Boolean retrieval model for that, which is not satisfied and which is not enough. And our improvement is that we return hotel listing in descending order, which is the top K of the from the best to the second best and the third best, and go on by recalculating scores from each hotel based on the query uh, related keywords. Just like I mentioned, 5 star hotel. This hotel is clean, stuff like that. And we give up the exact match model. We adopt a better match model. But the language model we have not discussed yet. But the basic idea is that we will abandon the old one and adopt a new one. So how we plan to do the major steps is listed like this: to pre-process the comments, like the stop word removing, and we retrieve all the comments and split them into phrases and strings and string words and store them into specific data structure. And then we go to the second step, which is to index term. We use the maybe we can only use the inverted index method, which we learned from the course, to index them and to process the query, and use the same criteria, same method to process the query, because we need to match the query with the comment we want. And then we implement appropriate language model, maybe the statistic language model, and then return the top tier ranking hotel. And also, if we do have time, but we have not planned yet, but if we do have time, we will give additional feature which is not listed here. Maybe an interface that can give us the auto completion feature, which means we just retrieve all the comments and split them into phrases, and to use the 2-gram, 3-gram, or n-gram method to calculate the overall probability of the grams, I mean, of the phrases. And then when you type into some keywords, it can give you the auto completions, such as when I tap the 5, it may give you auto completion, give you the hint like 5 stars of all 5 meals, 5 meal plans, stuff like that. But we have not discussed yet. But that's just my idea, and if we have time, we will do that. And the current status, we just discussed how to index our document collection in a good way, and we discussed the base design of interface. So the time schedule is like this. Next week we are finishing. We'll be finishing the indexing, and then we step into the finishing designing basic algorithm and interface, and then we go to finish the interface and to the complete the main phrase, which is to complete the search problems, and then the last step is to implement test cases and to make improvements. So that's it. That's all. Thank you.